Welcome to the mat, welcome to your practice, and welcome to my channel, the best place to practice yoga for your body, your mind, and your soul. Today's class is a continuous flow to feel calm and centered. And we're gonna work with this affirmation of the calmer I am, the more clarity I have. Another one that I love is simplicity supports me. So choosing either of those, simplicity supports me, or the calmer I am, the more clarity I have, to weave into our continuous flow practice today. You don't need any props, and we're going to begin in Balasana, Child's Pose. As you settle into Child's Pose, I'm going to read an excerpt from Ceremony by Brianna Wiest. So settle into Child's Pose, bring the knees into a comfortable hip-width distance. Extend those arms out in front of you. Feel the sides of the waist lengthening as the chest softens towards the earth plane. The forehead connects with the mat, and begin to arrive into this experience, into your yoga practice. I encourage you to breathe in and out of the nostrils to start to bring the mind into the now, here, now moment and arrive. Smooth, steady inhale and exhale breath as you rest in Child's Pose. You must reconcile the part of you that feels you don't deserve so much goodness. You must slowly adapt to longer and more heavenly states of being. You must marry your potential. You must practice your own greatness. You must weave your way out of your own doubt. You will scale the mountain only as you master the climb. And so the purpose of our practice, this continuous flow that's focusing on calming and centering all of the different dimensions of our being, is so we can master the climb. So we can practice our own greatness, so we can understand our potentiality, so we can realize that we deserve so much goodness in this lifetime. Follow my cues. We'll move with ease. And we'll move continuously. From Child's Pose, come up onto the knees. Inhale for cow. Exhale, send the hips back. Balasana, Child's Pose. 6 more like that. Last 2. Let your breath be your guide. Inhale forward into cow again. Tuck the toes, exhale, downward facing dog. I recommend taking the feet as wide as the mat. Inhale, soften the knees, cow pose. Exhale, downward dog. Soften knees, inhale. Exhale, downward dog. Play with taking the feet as wide as the hips this time. Soften down, inhale, cow. Last 3. Last 2. And 1. Inhale. This time, hold downward dog. Last 3 breaths. Enjoy the stillness for a moment. We'll marry those 2 first movements together now. Soften the knees. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, balasana. Inhale, cow. Exhale, downward dog. Soften knees. Inhale, cow. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, cow. Exhale, downward dog. 5 more. Last 2. Last round. Once you arrive into downward dog, soften the knees, come into child's pose, and rest for a moment. Meet me back in downward dog. From downward dog, we'll shift forward to plank. Inhale. Exhale, shift the hips back. 6 more. Last time. Shift forward plank, hold for 3 breaths. Soften knees. Bring them to a hips width distance. Rest the hips back over the heels. On an inhale, we'll lift up and bring the arms overhead. On an exhale, we'll sweep the arms behind us and hover the forehead off the earth plane. Join me. Inhale. Exhale. Last 4. And 3. And 2. And 1. And now rest with the forehead pressing into the earth plane, fingertips reaching back. And now sweep the legs around, lying down for a moment in Shavasana. Allow the movement to settle. Choosing your affirmation, simplicity supports me, or the calmer I am, the more clarity I have. The calmer I am, the more clarity I have, or simplicity supports me. Continue to repeat that affirmation inwardly, internally, over and over again for the next few moments together. Repeat your affirmation 3 more times. Bend the knees. Plant the feet. Shift the hips onto one side. Come into fetal pose. Repeat your affirmation again. Come to an upright seated posture. Bring the hands into prayer. Roll the shoulders down and onto the back. Prepare for Om. Inhale. Gradually open the eyes. I hope you feel calmer. I hope you feel more centered. I hope you can return back to this continuous flow anytime you need to calm the mental, emotional landscape that's in a state of turmoil. So when you're in that state of angst and overwhelm, come to the mat, choose a practice like this with very minimal cueing and a huge focus on the breath married with movement so that you can get back into your body, replenish your energy, and better be able to gain that clarity that we're all seeking, right? If you are new here and you like practicing holistically and not only learning the tools, but the teachings, definitely get my Yoga Reset Guide. It's linked in the description below. It'll take you on a 7-step journey through the chakra system where you'll learn asana classes, mudras, affirmations. You'll have off the mat journaling exercises and basic teachings to learn how the chakra system works and gain a better understanding, and then add so many tools and teachings to your holistic toolkit as you grow as a yoga student. Also, if you'd like a similar flow to this, check out this one that's here and waiting for you and recommended. Since we just move continuously, now you can settle into a more meditative state of stillness and ease. I'll meet you back here as always to keep practicing yoga holistically.